Did you know? You can help your arteries and restore themselves while you sleep. In the United States, heart disease is the leading cause of death, with one person dying every 34 seconds from cardiovascular disease. Every day, our arteries take a beating from stress, high blood pressure, and processed foods, causing them to stiffen and clog. This forces your heart to work overtime just to pump blood through your body. But what if there was a simple, nightly ritual that could help reverse this damage? In this video, we will reveal a powerful mix of 3 common kitchen ingredients, backed by real physiology, designed to support your blood vessels. Stay with us to learn what these ingredients are, the science behind how they work together, and the exact recipe to help your arteries restore their flexibility and improve circulation naturally, all while you're in a state of deep rest. So in this video, we will watch how these ingredients are working for our arteries, and at the end, we will make a perfect mixture. There will be a timestamp given in the description so that you can jump to recipe. Before we dive into the details, I need a moment of your time. If you're watching this video right now, it tells me one thing: you truly care about your well-being and the health of the people you love. That commitment is huge. Please take just 1 second to show your support and hit that like button below. It really helps our message reach more people who need it. And if this is your first time joining us, a huge, warm welcome. We're a community dedicated to exploring the power of natural healing. Don't miss out on any of this life-changing information. Please go ahead and subscribe to our channel right now. Finally, here's a fun one. I'd absolutely love to know where you're watching from. We have friends all over the world on this wellness journey with us. Drop a comment below and just tell us your country. Let's connect and build this global health community together. How arteries get clogged. Every day, your arteries are taking a beating from things like stress, inflammation, blood pressure spikes, sugar, and processed oils. All of it slowly stiffens the delicate, living lining inside your arteries called the endothelium. When this lining becomes inflamed and rigid, several problems arise. Blood pressure rises, circulation weakens, and the production of nitric oxide, your body's natural artery relaxer, starts to shut down. This forces your heart to work overtime to push blood through tight, narrow passages. This process is made worse by bad LDL cholesterol becoming sticky and toxic, leading to more arterial wear and tear. Unstable blood glucose also contributes, causing more stress, glycation, and stiffness in the arteries. This nightly mix is designed to give that system a break, letting your arteries restore their flexibility and oxygen flow naturally. The ingredients are high-quality extra virgin olive oil, a little raw honey, and cinnamon. Let's get the ingredients. Ingredient number 1, extra virgin olive oil. Let's start with olive oil. High-quality extra virgin olive oil is rich in biologically active compounds called polyphenol, particularly hydroxytyrosol and oleuropein. These are not just antioxidants. They are biological activators that studies show can counteract oxidative stress, inflammation, and arterial stiffness. They stimulate an enzyme in your arteries known as endothelial nitric oxide synthase, or eNOS. When that enzyme switches on, your body releases nitric oxide, a gas molecule that tells your arteries to relax and expand. It's like flipping a switch for better circulation and lower blood pressure. In fact, a study presented at an American Heart Association scientific session suggested that consuming just over half a tablespoon of olive oil a day can improve heart health. Its heart benefits are also linked to its monounsaturated fats, which help reduce bad LDL cholesterol while maintaining or increasing good HDL cholesterol. These fats also protect the inner vessel walls from oxidative stress and help stop LDL cholesterol from becoming sticky and toxic, a key step in the formation of plaque. One study found that people who ate 4 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil daily were 30% less likely to develop heart disease than those on a low-fat diet. Ingredient number 2, raw honey. Raw honey is a powerhouse of antioxidants, including flavonoids and phenolic acids, that have been shown to protect the heart. These compounds can help dilate the arteries in the heart to increase blood flow and help prevent the formation of blood clots that can lead to heart attacks and strokes. Research suggests honey helps lower several cardiovascular risk factors. While the American Heart Association classifies honey as an added sugar, the minimal amount used here has a purpose. A study of 55 patients showed that, compared to table sugar, honey helped reduce bad LDL cholesterol by 5.8% while increasing good HDL cholesterol by 3.3%. This tiny bit of honey can also help reduce nighttime cortisol levels, which helps your arteries relax so nitric oxide can remain active longer. Ingredient number 3, cinnamon. And finally, a light sprinkle of cinnamon, preferably Ceylon cinnamon. Cassia cinnamon, the most common type, contains higher levels of a compound called coumarin, which may be a concern for the liver in large amounts, so Ceylon is the safer choice for regular use. Cinnamon's power comes from its main active compound, cinnamaldehyde, which is responsible for most of its heart protective benefits. It helps combat inflammation and contains antioxidants that can reduce oxidative damage to your blood vessels. Stable glucose means less stress, less glycation, and less stiffness in your arteries. A review of 13 studies found that cinnamon could reduce triglyceride and total cholesterol levels, which are both risk factors for heart disease. In addition, some studies have shown that consistent use of cinnamon may help lower both systolic and diastolic blood pressure. It also helps raise levels of good HDL cholesterol, which works to remove harmful LDL cholesterol from the arteries. Let's get the power of 3. Together, these 3, olive oil to open, honey to calm, and cinnamon to balance, create a synergy that supports the body's natural vascular reset every night. While each ingredient has its own benefits, combining them provides broad-spectrum support. You're addressing inflammation from multiple angles, supporting healthy blood lipids, and promoting better blood flow, all while your body is in its prime state for repair. So here's how you do it. In a small cup, you'll mix 1 teaspoon of high-quality extra virgin olive oil, about a 1/4 teaspoon of raw honey, a teaspoon of Ceylon cinnamon. Stir it gently and take it slowly about 20 to 30 minutes before bed. You can even dilute it with a tablespoon of warm water if you prefer it smoother. While you sleep, nitric oxide levels will start to rise, your vessels will soften, and your heart rate lowers. Over time, this can transport to warmer hands and feet, clearer mental focus, and steadier morning energy. These are signs that your circulation is improving. How it helps heart health. This simple mixture helps your heart by addressing several issues at once. The olive oil contains compounds that stimulate an enzyme called enos, which releases nitric oxide. This important molecule tells your arteries to relax and expand, promoting better circulation. Its monounsaturated fats also protect the vessel walls from oxidative stress and help prevent LDL cholesterol from becoming harmful. A study mentioned at an American Heart Association scientific session indicated that consuming just over half a tablespoon of olive oil daily can improve heart health. The small amount of raw honey provides antioxidants that can help lower inflammatory markers. It also helps reduce nighttime cortisol levels. When cortisol drops, arteries can relax and nitric oxide can work for longer, allowing for better repair while you rest. Finally, cinnamon helps keep your nighttime blood sugar stable, which reduces stress on the endothelium. It also helps improve microcirculation by making blood less viscous, allowing oxygen to travel more freely. Together, these ingredients support healthy blood lipids and better blood flow, all while your body is in its prime state for repair. Let's understand the power of sleep. We already knew the ingredients, and it's crucial to understand why nighttime is the magic time for healing. Sleep isn't just about resting your mind. It's a dynamic period of physical restoration. When you fall into deep sleep, your body gets to work. Your blood pressure naturally dips, giving your heart and vessels a much-needed break. During this phase, your body releases hormones that help repair tissues, including the delicate endothelium lining your blood vessels. Chronic inflammation is a key driver of arterial plaque, and quality sleep is one of your best defenses. By taking our powerful mixture before bed, you are providing your body with a potent supply of supportive compounds right at the start of its most important repair cycle. Important considerations and cautions. Before you begin, it's important to understand that while these ingredients are natural, this mixture isn't for everyone. People with diabetes should be cautious. Although the amount of honey is very small and may affect blood sugar less than table sugar, it's still a sugar. Monitor your blood sugar levels closely and consult your doctor. Similarly, cinnamon can also lower blood sugar, which could enhance the effects of diabetes medications, potentially causing your blood sugar to drop too low. If you are taking blood-thinning medication, talk to your doctor. Cinnamon contains coumarin, especially cassia cinnamon, which can have anticoagulant properties. Additionally, if you take medication for blood pressure, be aware that cinnamon might lower it further. Finally, pregnant or breastfeeding women and anyone with a pre-existing liver condition or on regular medication should always consult their physician before starting any new health routine, including this one. Now listen carefully. Your arteries are not lifeless tubes that stiffen with age. They are living tissue designed to heal, to adapt, and to grow young again when you feed them the right information. Every heartbeat that you feel is your body asking for care, not neglect. This mix is more than a bedtime routine. It's a message of gratitude to the system that has kept you alive since the day you were born. This is not a magic bullet, but a powerful, supportive tool to add to a healthy lifestyle. You can't buy new arteries, but you can rebuild the ones that you have. Stay consistent, stay disciplined, and never forget, the smallest nightly act can change the direction of your health forever. I hope this video is informative for you. Please pass it on to your friends and family. Leave your comments below, and most important, make it a great day.
And with that, we wrap up today's video. Let us know your thoughts in the comment section below. For more queries, I have also added some studies at the end of this video description. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Stay healthy, stay fine.